Gosforth Hall Inn was built in 1658 for Robert Copley, after whom 2 rooms were named. Uneven floors, low doorways, and worn stone spiral stairways add to the ambience of this lovely building. The bar offers a friendly and relaxed atmosphere and serves a rotating stock of locally brewed ales, sometimes from Hawkshead or Yates. We specialise in pies, which we make from locally sourced ingredients. Our speciality is steak, bacon and mushroom, and we offer a vegetarian pie, Stilton and broccoli. We have 9 ensuite bedrooms and 1 suite. There are 3 double rooms and the rest can either be doubles or twins. The largest room, room 11, the Copley suite, has a large circular bath and a really luxurious feeling to it. It has a 4-poster bed, and this is where the access to the priest hole originally was. Just up the road is Wastwater, the deepest lake in England, and Scafell Pike. We're also close to a number of golf courses.